The ILIFE W90 Cordless Smart Mop is a revolutionary cleaning device designed to simplify your cleaning routine. Combining the power of vacuuming, mopping, and washing all in one step, this 3-in-1 cleaning system efficiently tackles both wet and dry messes, making it an ideal solution for homes with various types of floors. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or stubborn spills, the ILIFE W90 delivers a powerful cleaning performance every time. One of the standout features of the ILIFE W90 is its one-click self-cleaning cycle. With the press of a button, the brush roller is automatically cleaned in just 1 minute, removing dirt, hair, and debris without you ever having to touch it. This feature makes maintenance a breeze and keeps the mop ready for its next use. The dual tank system ensures clean and dirty water are kept separate, so your floors are always cleaned with fresh, contaminant-free water. This thoughtful design ensures better hygiene and more efficient cleaning every time. Whether you're vacuuming up dry debris or mopping up wet messes, the ILIFE W90 is ready for it all. Equipped with a 5,500 Pascal suction power and a 3,000 mAh large capacity battery, the ILIFE W90 provides a powerful cleaning performance with up to 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The convenient voice and light prompts make it simple to operate, ensuring users of all ages can enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. Key features of the ILIFE W90 Cordless Smart Mop: 3-in-1 cleaning system, vacuums, mops, and washes in one step, handling both wet and dry floor messes efficiently. 5,500 Pascal suction power, strong suction that picks up dirt, dust, and debris, ensuring a thorough clean. One-click self-cleaning, automatic brush roller cleaning within 1 minute, eliminating dirt and hair without getting your hands dirty. Dual tank system, keeps clean and dirty water separate for a more hygienic cleaning process. 30 minutes of runtime. Thanks to the 3,000 mAh battery, the ILIFE W90 runs up to 30 minutes, making it perfect for quick, efficient cleaning. Voice and light prompts. Smart cues guide you throughout the cleaning process, making it easy to use for all ages. Large dual water tank. Ensures fresh water is used for cleaning, keeping your floors spotless and free of contaminants. Specifications: suction power, 5,500 pascals. Battery capacity, 3,000 mAh. Runtime, up to 30 minutes. Self-cleaning time, 1 minute. Water tank system, dual tank design. Cleaning functions, vacuum, mop, and wash. Prompts, voice and light cues for user convenience. Included in the box: ILIFE W90 Cordless Smart Mop, charging dock, large dual water tank, brush roller, user manual. Make floor cleaning easy and efficient with the ILIFE W90 Cordless Smart Mop. Whether it's wet spills or dry dirt, this versatile mop does it all, saving you time and effort while ensuring your floors are always clean and hygienic. Perfect for busy households or anyone who wants a more efficient cleaning solution. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more smart cleaning solutions, reviews, and tips.